frickin' roll. Welcome to the 4th of December. Welcome to this Christmas video. Oh, good.
Oh, you fallen off.
Yeah, what am I doing? I'm going to Worcester right now to drop off this roll of portrait at my beautiful film lab. I'm actually quite looking forward to Christmas this year. Primarily because I just want to finish this year off and get into the next one. It's been a good year as far as, I don't know, like business and like personal development and stuff. But I've lost my part-time job, which is sick. It's not a job I particularly loved, but I mean, it's a job that paid the bills. So now I have to find another one of those, which is fun. So I didn't get fired or anything. I wasn't being a naughty boy. The company's just gone into administration and now doesn't exist. So I don't really have much choice on the matter there. Yeah, I mean, apart from losing the job thing at the end of the year, it's been a good year. I started really focusing on freelance work, and to be honest, that's probably gone better than I thought. What else happened this year? We went to the Isle of Man. That was good. I made a video about that. Watch that. It's not very good. You should watch it anyway. We went to Wales a few times for a few little trips there. Went to Pembrokeshire for a week. Went to North Wales, to Anglesey and Snowdonia area. Yeah, I don't know. If I could think of something else to say, I'll say it. For the time being, I think I will maybe show you some pictures I take in Worcester. The weather's pretty disgusting, so I'm not sure I'll get anything. I've currently got Lomo color negative 800 in the Fuji FZ2000 zoom point and shoot thingy majiggy. But yeah, for the time being, that's me. See ya. Sticking to the Christmassy theme, I'm using Christmas cracker screwdrivers to take apart this Olympus XA2. It's got a bit of a weird shutter, so I'm trying to fix that. Tomorrow, we are actually doing something this month. I've not done anything yet, really, apart from work, which is just amazing. I just have had such a fun time. We're going to Windsor. We're going to go to Windsor Castle. We're going there because we have happened upon a wrongly booked Premier Inn that we've been offered in Camberley. So I said we could take that and we can go to Windsor Castle, which just so happens you're not actually allowed to take photos inside of. That's okay, it's something new, not done that before, not been there in my life. So that could be interesting. Windsor looks like a nice little town as well. Or village, I guess it's a town. Something photography related for you as well. And obviously the video is called Lomochrome Christmas. It's because I'm shooting only lomography films. This one, which I will be shooting tomorrow, is Lomochrome Metropolis. We've also got Lomo Purple in the 650. And this, I don't even know if it's loaded properly, because it's right ball late to load. Let's find out. That sounded alright. Didn't actually, it sounded like a dying mouse.
This is where they start.
Have to go. No, yeah, no, that's fine. So it's relative.
Bonkers.
Bit muddy though.
Hello everyone, it's me from the future. The video is edited, ready to go, but I realise the first half is just me, and then the second half is just everything else. So I'm going to put myself in it again. So hello, this is me again. So Christmas essentially came and went as it always does. Did the usual Christmas happenings. Ate too much food. Probably could have drank more beer, but that's okay. There's always next year. Went on quite a few walks. As you just saw, there's one walk there, Christmas Day walk, and the next thing you'll see is another walk, which is where the video will conclude. I'm not really sure what. Wow. I guess my intentions with the video were to just document December, which is what I've done. So I guess I can't. It's not my fault I didn't do anything, is it? Apart from go to work and all that. But as I said at the start, I won't be going to work next year because I don't have any work. I don't have a job anymore. So, you know, it's what it is. More videos, maybe. But yeah, I'll leave you here, and you can enjoy the rest of the video. Enjoy the final walk. It's definitely where I think the best photos are. So yeah, thank you for watching this, and I will I'll see you in the next one. Don't know what that was. That was weird.
No, it just smells like horse. It doesn't smell like